Alright, so this is Minolta 50mm IF 1.7 test autofocus. Apparently F number drops from 1.7 to 3.5, and let's put the ISO. Seems to be that ISO don't give much difference, so I am on 5000 ISO, 1000, and it doesn't change anything. What if we go for ISO auto? Okay, so we dropped. Okay, we are. That's funny. Wait, that's auto ISO. So we're trying to focus. Okay, so focus on this guy. Camera. So shame that we are focus on the lens. How close it can focus. I need macro or something. Okay, so that's the autofocus. It seems to be focused, but it makes that sound. So I assume. Let's see, the ISO drops. Let's go on ISO normal. ISO 4000. It just drops ISO automatically. I'm not sure why. Is that F number changes automatically? I don't see anything. Basically the same. So that's my some lenses. Adopted point and shoot lenses. Okay. It's kinda strange. I want it to be brighter, but it doesn't do anything, even though I change shutter speed. It actually doesn't work. And ISO isn't working. Okay, so kinda slow. So I can't do anything, especially I don't understand why the up number. What if I go on manual? Is there a manual switch? No. No manual switch. Okay. Alright, so we are wide open. Same settings as before, but this is a manual adapter for Minolta AF, and you see this is basically same ISO 4000, and what's number actually we do is 1.7 actually, so it doesn't show. Okay, so put the ISO down. Yes, like I like that exposure 140, so let's increase it by 50. 160. Okay, so that's 150. So now I can do manual focus. Okay, yeah, I like that. I think ISO, let's put ISO to 500, maybe 400. That looks better. So the manual focus ring is kinda tight. So okay, so this is the boy. I like that. Oh, I like that. So the lights are basically. What if we drop ISO to, let's go 200. I even like it more. I think it gives more depth of field, well, when you're making the ISO low number. So this is out of focus parts. Let's bring this boy here. Let's put it here. So we focusing. Where is the tilt screen? Right. Hey, so don't like the light coming. So basically, that's the focus. So let's put it back where it belongs. And how close we can focus. I think the ISO. Let's try ISO auto and see what it does. There is nothing. This is ISO auto. Okay, how close we can go? I think we need extension tubes. I like this Minolta AF 1.7 50mm. So I have this 35 to 70, and this is, no, that's 35 to 70, and this is 50 macro, which is I need to fix, but I want to see how they actually perform. Okay, we are on Minolta AF 35 to 70, and it shows me that this is F4. ISO is auto. Well, I'm not happy with the ISO. Right, so let's drop ISO. So there is no changes after 500. Yeah, after 500 ISO, 640 ISO, there is no difference between 500. So this is autofocus. Let's see how it actually performs. Do I need to press any shutter button? Just focus. Thing is too close. I'm not sure what. I am on 70. So I am on 70. And shutter speed strangely changes from 100 to 80. Very strange. So I can't control the shutter speed, which is very strange. What if we change focus mode? Let's hit that focus mode. IF as IF. It's not giving, only IFC continuous, autofocus continuous. That's not good. Okay, so we zooming out on 70 and we still on F4. ISO don't do any difference, so we are on auto and it's super black. Okay, so that'd be cool if this let me focus, but it don't. So it looks like we can't focus on this. Come on. Okay, it just can't focus. You need to be far away just to focus. So what's the point of this? Okay, so we actually can go macro from here. We are on 35. We are on 70. Come on. It doesn't focus as I want. Let's check the IFC. Okay, so this is auto ISO on 35 to 70 F4. We are on 1000. So let's open fully F number. It's F4. Okay, so manual focus ISO 1600. So ISO 640. It looks good. Okay, so we can actually focus now into. I quite like it. It's just too dark. Lens. It's too dark. Alright, I'm preparing for a new type of content that I'm going to make called cooking with. So I'm looking for the lens on full frame that actually can do a lot of things. So, you know, film, autofocus. I were looking about the lens with autofocus, and apparently full frame. Yeah, apparently my Minolta AF is full frame, and I'm looking in 50mm 1.7 Minolta AF. I quite like it. So this is 35 to 70 zoom lens. So it's constant. Hey, actually I was on 70, so now it's at 30. Okay, let's go closer and see. I don't think it's on 35 is sharp enough, or I'm too far. Okay, so it's wide open. How close we can get? Actually, there is a macro switch. So we on macro, and I need to increase the ISO. ISO 2000, and see how close we can get. Okay, I like the macro switch actually. You can get close. You can 50mm do this? No. I saw some Nokia 3220s. Working ringtones on my other channel, Get Photo Nokia. You can watch lots of Nokia vintage Nokia mobile phone ringtones. Enjoy, it's relaxing and good. So okay, so that's 50. We can focus there. Can we actually, let's increase the ISO. Okay, we increase the ISO. Looks cool. Like that. Can we focus it that LA-EA4 whatever adapter means Sony? It's super bright, right? Well, in a sense, I can do it manually. No, it's not that bad, not that hard. So that's preparations and my lenses. I don't like that 35. It's not sharp on F4. So maybe I need to be further away. This is not as sharp. Anyway, so let's go to Canon lens with IF and we try to see the focus. Okay, we are on Canon. So at the moment we are on Canon 50mm 1.8. That's Meyer Optic Gorlitz remastered or rebranded, or well, the Meyer Optic Gorlitz formula 50mm 1.8 is exactly the same as Meyer Optic Gorlitz 50mm 1.8. So we are manual focus. I don't like this sound what it makes, so that not makes it super cool. Can you hear that? Is that autofocus? It's manual focus. And we are closer than Minolta. That's quite interesting. Let's see the qualities of focus out of focus area. That's the name. It's kinda, look at this. It's kinda light coming like Meyer Optic Gorlitz. I'm pretty sure that's Meyer Optic Gorlitz. Okay, let's focus here. Minolta is going to be my, and VR. Okay, we can change it. The shutter speed is 50. We on F4 actually. So we want to change this to 1.8 and drop the ISO to 16,000, 1600, 1250, 1800 ISO. That looks better. So let's try to see how things work here. The problem with manual focus, actually there's no problem with manual focus, but the problem is when you focus, this lens makes this type of sound. Can you hear that? Very strange. I hate that sound. This is why autofocus, in focus. So we are. Okay, let's focus to Minolta's. Okay, I like that. Actually, I like this thing. That's my camera. Alright. Let's put the ISO up to 2000 and see how this thing performs. By the way, filming on the Sony A7S. Can we go closer? It's kinda macro. Yeah, we can go closer. It's quite nice qualities of this lens. That's how far we can get close to this. Alright, so let's try autofocus. So let's press that switch and the lens moved. It can't focus. Okay. Can this thing actually focus? Let's change the focus mode. Hey, invalid with this lens. ISO 1000. It's autofocus. Okay, need to stop recording. Okay, so I have only one option. Single shoot IF. This lens just don't focus anywhere. I'm using Viltrox Canon to Sony autofocus adapter, and you can hear what it does. It just can't focus anywhere. I'm already too far from my desk space. What if we go closer? Can this thing focus? I don't know why it doesn't focus. Is there a dust or something? Really? Okay, let's change the switch to manual focus. There's nothing happening. Is that... What's happening here? Wait, there's nothing happening. I think there is some error. Okay, come back. Number 2. Okay, now it actually works in manual mode. I can focus. So I think there is something with my Canon 50mm 1.8. Okay, let's go on autofocus. Is that autofocus? No. There is something with my... Wait. It just can't focus. It just can't focus.